And I'll pronounce it funny for a nickel.
Hello?
Hi, Mom.
Rick, are you all right?
Oh, Chris, buddy, thank God you're okay.
Hi, Dad.
Hey, this is been driving me crazy. Who was the chick on Remington Steel?
Hello?
Stephanie Zimbley?
No, Stewie Griffin. Who's this?
Ah, thank you.
Rick, what are you doing down there?
Relax, Mom. I'm having a great time.
You people
You're
knocked me
so
off the
cute.
moon.
When are you coming home?
How's the food in South America?
Do the women there have exposed clitorati?
I'll be home in a month after people have forgotten I'm a freshman.
Well, please, just take care of yourself, honey. Hey, guys. Is everyone on the phone?
Oh, I gotta go.
Something's in the oven.
I lost a shoe.
He actually learned that if you pull it, it rolls.
Hi, Chewie.
Cause and effect.
I am small, but, Mom has kept me up to date on everything you're doing, and I think it's just great. Hanging up now.
Boy, this place sure has changed since Pawtucket Pat sold it.
So this is where you'll be working, Mr. Griffin. Oh, and I should mention, employees are welcome to free Pawtucket Ale. We just ask that you don't drink during your shift.
That won't be a problem, sir.
Great. Well, I'll be right back with your ID badge. Mr. Griffin, what happened to your pants?
Oh, look who's here, mister. I don't have time for your Little League games. Come here, you son of a bitch. Why do you close your eyes when we make